Have you ever wondered how to wash your hair with tape and extensions? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it really is. First, you want to wet all of your hair just like you would normally. Next, you want to wash your hair with a sulfate-free shampoo. Sulfate-free cleansers maintain your hair and scalp's natural oils, leaving your hair with more moisture, which is really important when you're wearing tape-ins because you should not put a lot of product in your roots and scalp. It can cause the adhesive to loosen and your tape-ins to slide out. Make sure you really get in there and clean your scalp. The first part of having healthy hair and a healthy install is having a clean scalp. Wash your hair until you feel it's clean. I washed my hair a total of 3 cycles, but had to stop filming because the steam was fogging up my camera lens. Once you're done washing your hair, make sure you rinse all of the shampoo out of your hair. As you can see, the tape-in extensions are still in my hair. The tape-in extensions are the straight pieces, and that, of course, is my natural hair that are the curly pieces. As you can see, the water did not loosen the adhesive. The tape-ins are still there. Then I dried my hair a little with a terry cloth towel so that it's not soaking wet and drippy. Next, I sprayed leave-in conditioner since you should never use a traditional conditioner with tape-ins. The moisture can loosen the adhesive and cause your tape-ins to slide out. This is a light leave-in conditioner. I'm spraying into my hair mid-length, staying away from the roots. Now I'm just rubbing the leave-in conditioner into my hair to make sure to put the moisture that I washed out back into it. Allow your hair to air dry. Once my hair dry, I parted it into 2 sections. Always use a heat protectant before using any hot styling tool with your tape-in extensions. Heat protectant is really important because it protects both your hair and the tape-in hair extensions if it is human hair. I sprayed the heat protectant in my hair and used my blow dryer brush to straighten it. The blow dryer brush is straightening both my natural hair and the tape-in hair extensions. Then I sectioned my hair off again to flat iron it. Sectioning your hair makes it easier to manage. Then section by section, I flat iron my whole entire head. You can also add more heat protectant before you flat iron each section. Flat iron your hair until you get it as straight as you would like. Now it's time for bed, so I'm taking my hair and twisting it. This helps to protect my hair and the hair extensions. I'm placing a rubber band at the end so it won't untwist. And now I'm going to put on my satin bonnet. Make sure to tuck all of the hair all the way into the bonnet. It's best to sleep in a silk or satin bonnet or a silk or satin pillowcase to protect your hair and to cut down on friction that could be caused while you're sleeping at night. And that's it. If you want to know more about our tape-in extensions, watch our other tape-in videos. To order this hair, you can visit silkysax.com. Remember, better care is better wear. Thanks for watching.